हेलो दोस्तों, इंटीग्रल कोच फैक्ट्री चेन्नई हैज़ released the advertisement for engagement of apprentices under Apprentices Act 1961. An application completed in all respect should be submitted online till 21st of June 2024 by visiting ICF website. There are various trades in which you can apply online form, like carpenter, electrician, fitter, machinist, painter, welder. You can see the list of vacancies there. Candidates with qualification engineering degree are not eligible to apply, and this notification is purely for giving apprenticeship training and not for employment. And in case of any clarification, candidate can contact on given number. Sources of engagement of Act Apprentices as per Railway Board letter is nearest employment exchange, SC/ST organizations, ITI, whether existing, and wards of railway employees. The applicants who have registered with a local exchange employment within the jurisdiction of state of Tamil Nadu alone are eligible to apply. The employment exchange card should be valid as on the date of issue of notification. However, this condition does not apply to wards of railways employees. Eligibility conditions: age as on candidate will be as on 21st of June 2024. RTI candidates should have completed 15 years of age and should not have completed 24 years of age, and non-RTI student max 22 years. And age relaxation as per norms. Minimum educational qualification and training period for ex-ITI, fitter, electrician and machinist, standard 10th with a minimum of 50% marks, and science and maths as a subject. And likewise for other trades you can check qualification details. And period of training differ from 1 year, 2 year, or 1 year 3 month, 1 year 3 months as per trades. And candidates selected for training will not be allowed to withdraw from training except for reasons which are beyond their control. Rate of stipend for fresher school pass out class 10th 6,000 per month, freshers school pass out class 12th 7,000 per month, ex-ITI national or state certificate holder 7,000 per month. And during the second year there will be increase of 10% in stipend. And how to apply? You can apply online. Application will be available from 22nd of May 2024 to 21st of June 2024 till 5:30 p.m. on ICF website. You can check website link provided. Candidates should read the notification thoroughly and fill in the online application form correctly and submit. System generated registration number is candidate's individual registration ID. The password to generate acknowledgement is the date of birth. A processing fees of ₹100 plus service charge will be charged. Candidates are not required to submit any document including system generated application form to ICF through post or email or other medium. Only online applications are welcome. Candidates are advised to visit ICF website for further updates. Mode of engagement is the merit based on marks obtained in class 10th. Allotment of trade: once trade is allotted, request for change of trade will not be entertained. Standard of physical fitness, medical fitness as per conditions applicable under the Apprentices Act 1961. And selected candidates has to execute a bond. Transfer certificate: only transfer certificate for completion of qualifying examination must be produced along with other relevant documents. No employment is guaranteed after the completion of these apprentices. Read full notification before applying, and for more job related updates subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Good day.